Alright students, for the purpose of your plan sheet, this is the orthographic drawing introduction. You will see that this is the object that you made in class. All three classes will work with this project, even though each person's cupboard is slightly different to match the area which it's going to be placed. You all are working with the same basic design. So for the purpose of the plan sheet, we will all do the same orthographic drawing, the same perspective drawing, and the same material list and such. So therefore, this is the video to explain to you how the orthographic drawing will be made. As you can see, this is our cupboard, and as we isolate the cupboard and rotate around it, you can see all the parts that make it up. For example, let's strip it back down to when it was just a frame, and this is what you started out with originally. Then we added panels to the side, and the back and base and top, along with the doors and knobs and hinges. So what do the different views look like? Start by drawing the top of the cupboard. The top would simply just be a line, or a box I should say, that shows the width of the cupboard. Projection line, vertical. Also projection line, vertical. Horizontal line, and let's take this, make a copy. So here we have our plan view, which is from top looking down, and here we have our front view. Now if this is to actually look like a front view, you're going to have to switch the angle at which it is showing. Like so. Now you can see that the cupboard is no longer from above, but you can see the doors and such. Let's straighten up some of the colors a little bit. Good. Now let us switch to side view. Let's make a view of the side. Let's take this. cross, well, not yet. First 45-degree line, and so you're going to draw a 45-degree line from the very tip. There we go, 45 degrees. And from that 45 degrees, we need more projection lines. Projection lines should start from the plan view. Projection lines would start at the top, go across, and projection lines will also start at the base and go across. Once those projection lines meet the 45-degree line, they stop there and change direction. They change direction and now start to travel vertically, like so. Another line from the other projection line will go vertically, like so. And also projection lines would start from the top of the cupboard on the front view and go across, like so. Let's trim or erase all the lines that we don't longer need. So based on what we can see, this is our plan from above looking down, also known as the top view. This is our front view, and what we're trying to put in this piece over here is the side view. So step 1, top view. Step 2, make projection lines horizontally, making horizontal lines still. Then step 3, 45-degree line. Step 4, vertical projection lines, and they will intersect with the horizontal projection lines to make this area, and that's where the side view of the cupboard will go. Let's see if that works in this case. Let's make a copy of the cupboard. Let's grab it here, place it there, but we need to now turn it to the side. So let's do that. Good. And let us move it back into the place where it should be. Let's put it right back in that corner. Good. So if we go back to top view, now we can see that the cupboard is in all 3 views. From top leads to front, and then from the front view you project lines to show the side view. Let us turn off our projection lines, and that's basically what we have there. You must label this, meaning the title should be underneath here that says front, a title underneath here that says plan, and a title underneath here that says the right elevation, or if you did the left side, then you would say left elevation. And the projection lines, these blue lines here, would show lightly because they're construction lines, or they're not supposed to be dark. Now, whether you're a technical drawing student or not, if you are a technical drawing student, you can use your AutoCAD. If you are not a technical drawing student, you can use your ruler and pencil and do this as a sketch. No freehand sketch, rule sketch, meaning straight lines with a ruler using proportion. If you're not an artist and you're not too accurate, your lines should be somewhat straight. Or you can use any software of your choice, as long as you can get this and take a picture of it as a soft copy and add it to to the plan sheet, or you can do it as AutoCAD and save it as a picture and send it to the plan sheet. So your options are digital, soft copy, or hard copy, either way, as long as it gets to the plan sheet. Remember that the plan sheet, there's a copy of it on the Google Classroom where you can find the template and a sample that you can follow.